Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to pair your headphones Pioneer HDJ with your iOS device. You have to start by open settings, then go to Bluetooth, and now press and hold power button on your headphones for at least 3 seconds until you can see that it starts flashing white. Right here we can also hear a sound, so it means that it's entered to pairing mode. So now we should see it, and we see. So now click on it, and we just did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.